that I'm walking, but not the friend that I'm walking now. Oh, the floor is be sketchy. We will start with the song from High School Musical, and then another one, and then another one, and then we go on for a few jokes, and that's it for today. Alright? Haha! Everything is nice, except for Tony. I told you not to jump in. I told you not to anyway. We'll start from what I've been looking for. It's hard to believe that I couldn't see you were out there beside me. Like I now to hold with your arms right beside me. This feeling's like no other. I want you to know I've never had someone that loves me like you do. The way you do. I've never had someone good for me as you. Someone like you, so lovely before. I finally found what I've been looking for. So good to be seen, so good to be heard. You have to say a word. For so long I was lost, so good to be found. I'm loving having you around. This feeling's like no other. What do you know? I never had someone good to be you. Froggy, why did you push me off the stage? I never had someone good to be you. So lovely before. Finally found what I've been looking for. Do 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 do. Ooh, oh 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 oh. Do 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 do. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Now, Froggy, if you do that again, I'll push you off. Well, I won't push you off, but you won't be allowed on the stage